The purpose of our company is to empower small practices to deliver the best care. So if a doctor is having to worry about, a computer that's broken, right? One of his employees is not working, or a printer's not working, or they get a virus on a computer, or all of these things that can go wrong, and we all know that they go wrong all the time. If they're having to worry about that all the time, then they're not going to be able to see patients. Or when they go in with a patient, they might be rushed, or they can't provide the best care to their patients if they're having to worry about all this other stuff.
One of the neat things that AZCOMP's able to do, at the end of the day, we are able to provide all these technology things that people need in these practices and offices, where it be computers, the laptops, tablets, whatever it is, right? Whatever they need. We see the need, we feel the need with the technology as far as the hardware goes, and then as we go one step further and we say, you got software, you need certain softwares, let us help you with that as well. And we tie the two together so that it becomes seamless. It's one point of contact that can do everything.
What I like working at AZCOMP is the environment, and that we truly live the values that we talk about, that I know that the work we do helps patients and helps providers to give them the care. So I feel like we make a difference in people's lives.
So when practices call in to us, they usually have a problem. They've got something with their software wrong, or they have issues, and we're able to take that burden off of the practice so they can focus on their patients, so we can help with their software, and they're submitting claims so they don't have to worry about all that other stuff, and they can depend on us.
That extra care is what makes us stand apart. There's many technical companies out there that can technically answer questions, but we do that with a lot of care and empathy, and that's where we stand out, I believe.
Our entire purpose of what we're doing is trying to help small businesses at the end of the day succeed. All in simplicity, that's what we want them to do. In our healthcare offices specifically, we want them to succeed because the more successful they are, the more they can actually deliver phenomenal care to their own patients. Which in the day could be me, could be my kids, could be my wife, family, whoever it might be. So we want you to be more successful, and we know, and especially in this age, you can't be successful if you can't get the computer to work. And if it's slow, it makes you slow. So if we can make your life easier and faster, and make the technology not the problem, then you're gonna be able to just really fly. And that's what we want to help you do.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, and also do us a favor and click that like button. Thanks again, and see you on the next one.